Do you want to open D360 Bank account in Saudi Arabia and you don't know where to get started? In this video, I will walk you through every single step from opening the app all the way to getting your IBAN and account number. So let's go. D360 is a digital bank in Saudi Arabia and no paperwork, everything done 100% with your mobile phone. Before we get started, make sure you have valid ID, registered national address, and Nafath and Abshar app installed on your mobile phone. The registration number must link to your Iqama. Here's all what you need. If you don't know how to create a national address account, I will add link in my description. So let's go into it. Now, if your app is in Arab, tap English icon to switch to English. Now, give access to location. After that, you also need to give access for notification. Now, let's begin. Firstly, we will start with adding our nickname. Write your nickname down once you're done and click on next. Now, enter your ID number, Iqama. After that, tap on next. Now, enter your mobile number. Make sure the mobile number is on your phone so that you will receive a verification code. Once you're done, tap on next and receive confirmation code. Once you receive it, start tapping it. After that, the app will take you automatically to the next step. Now, Nafath verification. Tap on go to Nafath app. Once it opens, click on accept request and process. Now choose the number that display on your D360 app. Now enter your Nafath PIN. After that, make face verification. Once it's confirmed, the verification will successfully and you can go back to D360 mobile app and it will automatically take you to the next step. Now enter your Gmail address. Once you tap it and click on next. Now you need to create a digital pin, 6 digital pin for your app. Now confirm it. The next step is Abshar verification. Tap on go to Abshar app. Once you tap it, it will take you to the Abshar app, or you can also manually go to Abshar app. Once it's open, two messages will display on your screen: accept or reject. If you don't see it, go to the notification and approve your request there. Tap on approve request and tap on accept. Your request has approved, and now go back to D360 mobile app. Now legal disclosure. Just you can also leave this like this and just click on next. Now primary income. Choose your primary income: salary, saving, end of service. For example, if you choose salary, what is your income range? Choose it. It's below 1k or 2000 to 5k. You have to choose. After, choose your employee status. Are you a student, public sector, or private? If you choose private, you have to select your company name. Search it if you can't find it. After, if even if you don't see it, you can just search others and choose other to continue. Now select your occupation. If you work in private section, tap on private employee and now select your spending range. And now reason for account opening: daily banking or saving and others. After that, we go to the next step. Now all your information will appear here. Now agree their terms and conditions. If you agree, tap on accept. Congratulations, you have successfully created your D360 account. Your full name and your IBAN number will appear on your screen like this. You just need to tap on get started. After that, they will ask you if you want to issue your digital card now. If not, tap on not now. Here we go, you have successfully logged into your mobile app. That is it. Your D360 account is now open 100% with your mobile phone. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.